Hey guys, I'm Joey. Welcome back to another exciting episode of Over the Table's random reviews. If you haven't checked out the 5,000 subscriber giveaway, I haven't announced the winner yet because we haven't hit that 500 views or whatever I was looking for. So go check that video out. There will be a 10,000 subscriber giveaway, so if you want to be a part of that, hit the subscribe button. But today we've got a budget or super budget friendly 1080p camera, security camera. You get an app, kind of like you would do for like a Ring doorbell, except this is on Amazon for $20. So I'll pop a link in the description if you want to get your own. $20 for 1080p. I don't know if I can believe it, but let's open it up and find out. Alright, so I could tell you right off the bat that the box is pretty well packaged for $20. Plastic. It really is a decent packaging. Wow. Okay, so you've got the lucky card. I don't know what that's for. Wow, that's nice. If you give them 5 stars on Amazon, guys, you can either get a micro SD card or you can get 3 months of their cloud storage. It's pretty convenient. Alright, and then you've got, of course, the little owner's manual. And believe it or not, I don't know what language is on the back, but it's not Chinese. But it's got English instructions. It's a good sign. Alright, it should be fairly simple what we get here in the box. Trying to be quick. You guys want to see what it looks like and everything. So we'll just go over this quick. There we go. In the first box, what you get in plenty of protection here is the actual camera. And here's the camera, guys. After taking it out of the box, no, it doesn't feel like amazing quality. But you can see, you could stand it up and then give it whatever kind of angle you want. I do believe it comes with little mounting, some way to mount this, so you can mount it on your ceiling. I will tell you guys that this is an indoor camera, so I don't think it's waterproof, so I wouldn't put it outside, but you can have it sticking out the window, so that way you can see what's going on outside at any point. It looks like it needs to be plugged in with a micro USB cable, and it does have a slot for that micro SD card if you want to save the footage straight from the camera. It's even got a reset button. It's white. It looks like a camera. We'll see how it looks, because the video quality is what we care about here, and the user experience of using the app. I will find out if you can view this camera from another place, like if you're not connected to the same Wi-Fi. So we'll find that out, because that is very important to be able to check on it when you're not home. It does come with a brick, a basic USB brick, and then the micro USB cable. And guys, that's pretty much it. Like, that's how simple it is. You get the camera, you get the brick, the cord to plug it in. It does need to be plugged in. Again, there's no battery for it, which in all honesty is probably better anyway, because you don't want to have to deal with recharging a battery for a camera. And I believe what we get in here, yep, you get 3M adhesive to stick on the bottom of this to be able to mount it wherever you want. I'm sure it would actually work great. Obviously you want it to be mounted onto a smooth surface, but if you have like a smooth wall or something, you mount that right on. Because of security issues, I wouldn't put this in your house to like see what's going on in your living room, because I don't know how secure their app is. But if you're pointing it out the window, you just want to see if, someone's coming by and stealing your packages with your fancy cameras in it, then you'd be able to. So that's what it's really made for. I'm gonna go ahead and plug this thing in, point it outside, and see how that looks. And then we'll also test out the infrared night vision, which would be pretty insane for $20, but we will test that all out. So let's plug this thing in and see how it looks. Okay guys, let me go over a few quick things to test this out. So basically you get on the app. You have to create an account. You connect the camera to your phone with the barcode that it gives you. Then you are connected. Now the video footage, believe it or not, is actually 1080p footage. It is just as clear as my Ring camera, and this thing was $20. Oh my goodness. Okay, so along with the features that you get, one, you have two-way audio. You can hear what's coming in and you can speak back to it. So if you use this as like a pet camera, you can talk to your animals and hear what's going on. Also comes with motion detection, which you can set the sensitivity for. You either have to get their cloud-based storage, like a subscription, which you'd have to do with a Ring camera anyway, or you can get an SD card to put in the camera and then it'll just save it by itself. But if you just want to view it live, it will give you the notification when there is motion. It'll send the notification right to your phone. Then you can go to the live feed yourself and you can start recording. You can take a snapshot of what's on the video. This is all very, very nice stuff, guys. And I did test the night vision, which is actually night vision, actually infrared. Like, holy crap, I am so impressed. And then what puts it over the top, you don't have to be connected to the same Wi-Fi. You can be at work and check up on your house while you're not there for $20, guys. I've never purchased a product that I think should be worth way more than what I actually paid for it. And this is the product. I am so thoroughly impressed that I'm probably even going to put a review on Amazon because it's just that good. Very highly recommended from me, guys. And you don't get a lot of things that are very highly recommended. This is one of them. If you want a cheap security option, this is the way to go. You could probably connect more than one camera to the same app. It's just all very nice. I think they're working on getting it set up to connect to Alexa or Google Home. It's just, guys, for $20, I am so thoroughly impressed that I don't know what to do. I'm $20 for real. Seriously, this is an awesome deal. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you want to, give it a thumbs up. But if you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you click the subscribe button. I'll find some more good deals for you guys. If you want to watch the giveaway video, it's going to be up there. And if you want to check out the random reviews playlist, it's going to be over there. Have a great day, everybody. And as always, don't get shot. I bit my tongue.